Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, January 11th, 2023. I'm here at Ortega River Marina, and that is Alibi. I was coming here to do a zinc install, which I was told it was a 83 millimeter max prop zinc. Upon coming out, I found that this is a little specialty thing. And where the max prop zinc would have gone, normally it gets put here, here, and here, and it gets held in. These three bolts actually keep this plate on with the prop, and this prop is a mechanical prop that opens up. So this one looks like it's actually just a regular prop nut zinc that goes right in the middle here. So I'm going to put this back on because the max prop zinc does not fit this, and then we'll go back to square one and we'll see if a regular prop nut zinc will fit.